What is a personal loan? A personal loan is a type of lump sum financing borrowers can get from a traditional bank, credit union, or online lender, which they can use for a variety of expenses. Common uses include medical bills, auto repairs, home improvement projects, and debate consolidation. Personal loans typically have repayment terms between 2 and 7 years and offer interest rates as low as 3% for high qualified borrowers.
तो टेलीग्राम से बाद में डाउनलोड कर लो। टेलीग्राम तो अपलोड मार
How do we have personal loans? How do personal loans work? Personal loans are typically available from banks, credit unions, and online lenders. Prospective borrowers apply for a loan either online or in person and then wait for a decision, approval, or denial. If a approved borrowers receive their funds as a lump sum payment into their bank account and interest starts to accrue in the first month. Personal loans require fixed monthly payments over the entire loan term, typically between 1 to 7 years. Many personal loans can be funded within a few business days, so you don't have to wait to get the money you need. What personal loan? What personal loan terms are people opting for? According to a Forbes Advisor survey of 1,000 US adults who have applied for a personal loan, consumers utilize various loan amounts and term lengths. Our survey found that 35% of respondents borrow between $1,000 to $4,099, while 17% borrow $5,000 to $9,999, and another 50% borrow to $10,000 to $19,999 respectively. Moreover, 20% of respondents opt for a 1-year loan, 16% option for a 2-year loan, and 70% opted for a 3-year loan.